Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Honorable Shana. So today, not even today, this evening we're in the farm again. So Sean, they are going to do some work. I go and clean up the banana tree. Them and I cut down the dry leaves them off of them, just like that one day. That's how they look with the dry leaves, and that's how it look without the dry leaves.
Yes,
So
guys, today I try to see if we can find one good eating banana. But I don't want to say, try out the other day, banana them being very small, but we can't really find a good eating one. But we find one still, but we'll go and look. If we find a better one.
yeah, I will find one better one, man, because that look like it all even overfit and look like it too.
Alright, it's right.
That alright, man, because it stay on the tree too long and it start ripe. But so one up on the tree they young still. That one they very young, guys. But you might go and search. So yes, my beautiful peeps, this is the view from behind this shop as well. It's such a nice view and it's so cool. I tell you, very nice. So we are just continue within the farm. So guys, these are the new puppies from my dog family. They're so jovial and happy. Ah. When am I crying on him belly? Ah. So yes, please, we are going to see what Sean up here so in the farm doing. So guys, remember the other day I made a video and said we were sowing some cabbage seed. So guys, it's not cabbage seed, it is pop chow seed. So as you can see, guys, them grow up now, and you can see a pure pop chow and okra. So it's pop chow and okra seeds. So them grow up now, and some of them ready for transplant. So Shana will go through and transplant them and plant them. So we will keep you guys up to date with the growing process. But Sean, go ahead already and plant 3 of them. Meaning, so when I plant them, you plant 3 already, Sean. So this is 3 of them. The pop chow seeds. So tomorrow, I'm going to plant some more. Sean just go through and look. See if I find a eating banana. It's a quite a few amount of planting tree and banana tree, man. You must find a eating banana. So say yeah, we there to run come back and shop. But look where puppy does sit down. Me say guys, the little time when me leave, go down to the shop, go serve and come back. Look how much of them Sean plant. Sean, you go on, man. Yeah, go on with a bag of things, man. Mm.
Just a plant or a couple of phone from
Which is right. So guys, you know. Yeah. So guys, you know what going on, you say, you know. We're going to have a whole heap of pop chow. What we going to do with small pop chow though? I want if, well, we always have to plant and plant. We can't plant for ourselves alone. We have to plant for give away or for sell, though. Yeah. I mean, know if me have any subscriber or any viewers where they near me, me know when them are ready, are welcome, you know, for two bongo. Yeah. Same way. Mm-hmm. Which is right. As I said guys before, you can't plant for yourself alone, you know. Because you see all the olden days farmers, or I should have said, when me a pitney then, them the farmer there used to farm one big old farm and they never used to really farm for themselves alone. Because even now, people are reap after where them you farm way back in the day. So people can't even still eat after where them plant. You see me? So that's how it go.
If I'm a farm and you have no pop chow, even when I no pop chow, man will have yam, piece of yam. You know what the thing about pot of cook.
True.
We have good soil, you know. I go see how quick them up there. So that's why we take them up now and plant them. Just so start growing grass. Long as the water.
True, man. Sky look like more rain will fall though. Have tomato them there, oh, tomato seed, be a tomato sucker them between the guys. We have a whole heap of tomato. We have a whole heap of pop chow, we have a whole heap of pepper. Okra. Whole heap of whole heap of food we are going to have, man.
Soon and very soon we can just smoke and just reap and go cook, you know? We don't have to go in a shop.
I know no.
Supermarket.
No, you go to supermarket, but you don't have to go to farmer's market. Well, we still have to go. We still have to go to get because we don't plant everything.
Yeah, but you still can't put straight out of the farm, but you like certain seasonings too.
Like onion. But we're going to plant them in soup. We're going to plant them, you know. Yeah, on God. Me a chump. No man, you have to pre them man and make them grow up to man and see man. Me not pre them. Yes, I believe a onion tree there, yes, I have it true. I forgot to show me them.
But it come like, I don't know if I sell or eat or what. Look like they don't agree with the eat. So I'm not sure how come look.
So guys, when Sean done.
No, look here, sir. See this? A onion this here. And there, a onion there. All of them look on the onion.
Yeah.
You see them?
I see them, yes. I see a couple road through. So yes, peeps, look on the big bed where Sean make. He make a big bed. He plant what leaf. Not true, guys? What want to say? No comment down below, man. And tell him if he do a good job or not. See there?
But we don't know if it's a good job. We look a couple weeks, but next 2 weeks, I know we can eat capture out of this.
Whoa, me nearly drop.
How much night dinner we
Yeah.
can get out of this?
Send the front there, so.
And we have a fish plant.
For all the way down there, so.
No, I'm just make one other big boat. Nah, man, don't really eat capture.
Yeah, man. Pop chow for days.
If you ever eat pop chow with chicken back, I'm tell you what I go on, because I want bad menu that is it.
Pop chow and chicken bag. Hey, but me tell you though.
Yeah, I fry up the chicken back, but I did it. Cut out the pop chow and throw him on pan it, man, and make it steam for a couple minutes. And then nothing normal, man.
So guys, you know when I done plant up a thing them, you know, Sean, I chose to make sure say give them some water, you know, so the root them easy well catch back to the dirt.
A good time we plant them still, because
It's a rain fall.
Overcast, you know? So, it's a little bit of water we will get now. Tomorrow then I go dry up.
Yeah man, for real.
I pop chow is something I love water. A lot of water. See it, people. So we do it real Jamaican way, you know? Have a look at garden going. I don't know if it's not yet, because I make sure so I get some of them tomatoes going too. That means that we have tomatoes to put with the pop chow. They never come in same time still, but I always continue. So I make new beds. Always have a look at the garden, you know? Everything are good for you eat. Anything are good for eat, man. Anything green, you know. I consume, you know. Good thing that. Callaloo, pop chow, lettuce, all of them things are good food. And you know the good thing about this again, people? They are going to be organic, because I'm not put no fertilizer on them.
No fertilizer, peeps.
I'm not going to spray them, you know what it is? Look on the leaves them. Because them money, I sow them one in the dark night. So anytime when I sow, so I sow in the dark night. When you sow in the dark night, you don't have to put no chemical at all on the leaf them. So you can't, no worm not go eat them. Because watch them pop chow, I'm going to show them. No worm not go eat them, and I not put no chemical on them. No fertilizer, no pesticide, nothing we not put on. Natural, organic. That is it, people.
Well guys, them really look nice. Me love how them look. Can't find 6 finger upon it, of course. So guys, so them look.
You see, at least don't sell it, not even a wormwood. Usually if you ever saw them in a moonshine, when the moon bright, you'll have to see a worm. One of my stepfather teach me that thing there. Look at it. And then I plant and tell you, say, anything you have with seed, as long as I seed, try plant in the dark.
Yeah, that's the right time for plant still. In the dark night. So guys, you see all them bush they want to see right now? A bush where we're going to chop down and do more farming. It's just more farming we're going to do. See it, peeps? Yeah man, because we have a whole heap of land space for you. Whole heap of land space. Of course we can. All this a big almond tree, yeah.
We have too much to dig it,
Mm-hmm. All over them place, you guys, we go chop down our farm.
Hold it more
Go back all the way up there, so. All the way over on the other side. Yeah, man.
Peace out.
So yes, guys, big up on yourself and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl and Rolly Shana. You see it? Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
Yeah, man.
We out.